Good day guys! Welcome back here in Suzette's Kitchen! At maraming salamat po pala sa mga suporta. Thank you so much! At for today's vlog, gagawa po tayo ng gluten-free ramen. In the previous days, nagpunta tayo ng Ramen Museum. Then, nakakam up ako ng recipe ng ramen soup na low calorie din. Tsaka sasabayan natin ng Shirataki kasi yun yung nakain ko doon. Kaya siya gluten-free. Kaya sana magustuhan niyo rin siya, lalo na yun sa mga nagda-diet, gusto kumain ng ramen, pero low calorie lang. So, samahan niyo na ako guys. Let's start cooking!
We need the 400 grams chicken breast, 400 grams chicken bone, 3 cloves of garlic and 1 medium whole onion, 5 cubes of Knorr and 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt. This is optional. 2 liters of water, 2 packs of shirataki. Before making the ramen soup, so we're going to prepare the shirataki. We're going to rinse this with salt and water. Just add the 1 teaspoon of salt and squeeze gently. Add water to rinse. Please do this twice. This process is to suppress the aroma of shirataki. After rinsing the shirataki, just add some water and set aside. Now let's start cooking our ramen soup. In a big pot, just put it all together, chicken bones, chicken breast, and the 2 liters of water. Add the cloves of garlic and onion. After an hour, add the Knorr cubes and 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt or your preferred taste. Simmer for 10 minutes, then your soup is done. This is optional, the boiled eggs, but I'm going to use this for toppings. Cut the scallions into small pieces. Cut the boiled chicken breast and set aside. Boil the shirataki for 3 minutes. After boiling, drain the water and you're ready. Then we're going to add our hot ramen homemade soup in a bowl with shirataki. So we're ready to add the toppings now, the chicken breast, scallions, and the boiled egg. This is optional, but I like it spicy, so I add the chili garlic. Then, we're done! Natin ang ating ginawang gluten-free ramen. Ay, oo nga pala. Pwede kayong mag-add ng salt o kaya soy sauce. Kaya eto, mag-add ako ng Magi Savor hot chili. Kaya depende na sa inyo. Parang bok choy din sa atin. Diba? Dinadagdagan nyo na ng black pepper o kaya salt. Kaya depende sa panlasa. Yummy! Gold sauce na rin siya. Pero ito naman soup na. Kaya I hope makakatulong ko ito sa mga nagda-diet pero gusto kumain ng ramen.
Ito ang ating Shirataki. Shirataki. Thank you so much too.
Rai on the go, thank you. Noah Pad, thank you. Kuya Broom, thank you. The Mino Music, thank you. Kid Tambay na Marino, thank you. Ben's ETZ channel, thank you.
Guys, thank you for the support. Sa mga bago po nating family members here in Suzette Kitchen, thank you so much. And I hope to see you on my next vlog. And always remember that every day there is the reason to smile. Bye guys! See ya! Take care!